Now we're going to read some cards in using the reading capability. So I have two cards which were punched earlier from a deck. These happen to be Ebsidic. They're 1130 assembler statements that have various Ebsidic characters and so on. And the way we're going to punch that is we're going to first create a new file here. So in the program, I'm going to issue the file menu new, pick kind of a file that I want this to be test read. So pick the name and tell it to open. So now it's ready, and to read I have to put the card being read goes into the read station, and I need another card in the punch station, just because mechanically that's how a key punch works. When you're going to be reading in this station, it's normally duplicating that card to the following one. So to read, I have to be punching spaces into the following one. So that's what the program will do. We'll issue the read command, starting to read in. And you put the next card in place. Continue with that one. I have to tell it to pause and that I'm done with the cards. So it's paused, and tell it the file is closed, and then we will see what we read in. So we've opened the file we read from the card deck, and you see the two cards that are shown there. And I bring up the first one. So the first card had H4EXX DC/4E. We see it there. Constant, and then some values there, and the final code. So that card's read perfectly. And the subsequent card is MDXXX MDX star -1 constant. Say we're all good there. And then 157-6B. Okay, so we've dropped the 6. So one column dropped out, and also this says 70FF, but I see 70%F. So we seem to have, some slight dragginess in the cards going through the read station, resulting in it misreading a couple of characters. So it's not perfect yet, which I'm ascribing to the fact that the key punch isn't feeding properly yet. Once I get that adjusted, I'll fine tune it further. So that's an example of this reading in cards.